Pillar and post. Coffee grinder, catch basin and hopper. Enterprise Manufacturing Company, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Produced 1878. Patented October 21, 1875. The Enterprise Manufacturing Company of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, was primarily a hardware manufacturer known for its coffee mills and domestic devices, such as cherry pitters and apple peelers. As the company grew, they began focusing on these luxury coffee grinders and quickly became the largest manufacturer of them in North America. The user would feed roasted coffee beans into the top of the unit, then turn the large wheels which would grind the coffee. They would then take out the hopper and make fresh ground coffee using hot water boiled on a wood-burning stove, much like the one also in this hall. As with all of the items you visit on your tour, we kindly ask that you do not touch as they are very old and fragile.